Hey, make sure you buckle up and brace yourself for heart-pounding chases and plot twists that are more thrilling than the movies. If you want to feel like you're on a roller coaster without leaving your seat, then welcome to COPSCAM Police US. Now let's go. I thought it was a race, but it turned out to be a chase, ending with a bold pit move.
Jesus.
A horrific car accident occurred at the intersection. It was truly terrifying. A reckless escape race led to the police's failed sharp turn attempt. When he spotted the police, the suspect not only refused to stop, but accelerated. Despite a precise pit maneuver by FHP, he stubbornly swerved, determined to find a way to escape. The suspect couldn't escape when FHP executed a pit maneuver, forcing him to stop. He exited the vehicle with his hands raised in surrender. What charges do you think he will face? The intense chase erupted as the 17-year-old driver sped at 116 miles per hour, ignoring the police and helping 3 immigrants flee into the brush, making the situation even more dangerous.
10-4, they're going to be heading northbound on 2221. Get there, bro. Get there. Speeds of 116, and we're in light traffic.
10-4, speeds of 116. 10-4. Any of them will get to Sullivan. Identify.
Get there.
Just east of Vanderbilt.
Units coming up behind us, be careful there. Bail out. Red shirt, driver, red shirt. We got one in the blue shirt running west, or eastbound.
After the intense chase, the 17-year-old driver faced human trafficking charges. While 3 immigrants managed to escape, he was arrested and handed over to Border Patrol, exposing a dangerous criminal network. The compact Polaris RZR became the suspect's weapon of escape. Using its quick acceleration, he tore through rough terrain, defying danger and driving tension to a peak. The vehicle vanished into the deep forest, but police refused to give up. With unwavering determination, they followed every trace, ready for a dramatic and unexpected confrontation. The tense chase erupted as the human smuggler sped at 115 miles per hour, weaving through treacherous roads in a desperate attempt to escape pursuit.
Car right on.
Just drove through a fence. Black shirt? I see the car right here.
The car crashed into a sign and tore through the brush. The human smuggler was arrested along with 2 immigrants, one of whom was handed over to Border Patrol. Was this reckless journey worth it?
Fill out. Hey! Do not! Get her, Frida! Get her! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
2 human smugglers weaved dangerously, leading a high-speed chase. In a bold move, the driver had 11 immigrants jump from the vehicle into the brush, turning the scene into utter chaos.
Negative 5 on our end.
Cancel. All units negative on the site. Unsuccessful site.
Maybe bailing out here. We're down pretty slow.
Red and white, it's going to be to the east.
Yeah, 500 miles back south as they head towards East Pass.
All units advised through, we're fine.
Police acted swiftly, taking down the human smuggler after a perilous escape attempt. Both suspects' blatant defiance of the law now faces a barrage of serious charges. Deep in the forest, the ATV sped wildly, exploiting every treacherous trail. Police accelerated in close pursuit, with every turn becoming a heart-pounding challenge.
Stop! Stop! Oh, they just stood off on me. What's your address? We're going home now. About 51. The traffic's light. He's wearing a Harley Davidson motorcycle jacket. Tattoos on his face. Weird. We're off the road. Back southbound. Traffic conditions light. We're going here by the favorite liquor store. 45 right now. Fairhaven Road, to the right. Don't in the woods.
Exploiting the rugged terrain to shake off the police, the suspect plunged into a dangerous game. But can recklessness prevail against the unyielding determination of the pursuing officers? A peaceful afternoon turned into chaos as police pursued a stolen car. The suspect raced at breakneck speed, made sharp turns, and ran red lights, pushing the chase to its climax.
We're headed east on the bypass. I don't know which way you're going to do on that. Which way did you go? Headed 60. He is eastbound on the bypass. Good correct here, sound like they went to East 97, not traffic. Yeah, 10 like it. Yeah, up on those roofs. Purple up right behind. Good. And up on those roofs. Coming up on Charles Black. He's wrecked out. I rolled over. Rolled it right here for you, Charles Black.
A precise maneuver sent the car off the road, flipping onto its side. The suspect resisted but was subdued, revealing signs of drug use, which further escalated the severity of the case. On a quiet road, the unregistered motorcycle suddenly sped off. Sharp turns and weaving through crowded intersections made every second tense. How long can this recklessness last?
Passing Humphreys, left on Horse Lane, left on Horse Lane. We are Horse Lane Road. Passing Donald Road, passing Donald Road. Looks like a side road.
The suspect abandoned the vehicle and fled into the woods but was quickly subdued. With a stolen car and methamphetamine in his pocket, how long do you think he'll spend behind bars? The driver recklessly sped through crowded streets, with sharp turns and daring swerves throwing traffic into chaos. Every maneuver pushed the risk of an accident to its peak.
Eastbound 100.
Yep. Is it a truck or this green passenger car?
Heavy truck.
Negative, it's a Dodge car. South on Greenwood, just past the green.
A bold intervention forced the car into the barricade, ending all desperate efforts. The suspect's reckless stubbornness led only to an inevitable and humiliating failure. The retail theft driver triggered the chase by recklessly fleeing, speeding at high speeds and weaving through busy lanes without hesitation.
onto the freeway.
The chase ended unexpectedly when the suspect crashed into a store. Fortunately, there were no injuries, but his reckless actions have led to a series of serious charges.